video about color grading in Photoshop. So I'm starting off with this image. And as you can see in the layers panel on the right, I just do a Command J to make a new layer. And then I go up to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. This comes up. I do a Command minus on a Mac to zoom out, Control minus on a PC. And then as you will see on the right side over the basic panel, you just click on black and white to convert to black and white. And then I go down to color grading, click open, and on the top right, I go to global, and then I move the hue slider to the right towards the blue. And at first you don't see anything until you move the saturation slider. So at 22, it looks like this, and then at 50, trying to get to 50, 49, 50, then you have a nice kind of aqua blue that I like. So I just hit OK at the bottom right, come back into Photoshop, and then there it is above my other layer. And as you can see in the layers panel, if I turn on and off the eye, it turns on and off the layer. And if I go down to the bottom of the layers panel and click on the Add Layer Mask icon, I can add a layer mask to it and make sure that black is my foreground color. Choose my brush, and in the flow area up top in the options bar, it's set to 14. So now when I paint here at the bottom, I can bring back some of that red that I wanted. So I just turn it off to see, and I'm like, okay, yes, that's the area I want. And I just paint in some of that original color from my image. Painting away, bring back some of that original blue, giving some of that purplish. A little bit bright red there. Contrast. So yeah, just a touch of the original. So instead of the original blue, I want this kind of teal or kind of aqua greenish blue, and I can merge it with a layer mask. So that's playing with color grading and working on layer masks in Photoshop.